Your Claude Code bill is probably higher than it needs to be, and fixing it costs nothing. Every 4 characters you type count as roughly 1 token. But here's the costly part. Claude rereads your entire conversation history with every single response. As your session grows, so does every bill. There are 5 free habits that together can cut your token consumption by 30 to 40%. No paid tools, no plugins, just smarter usage. Habit 1. Write precise prompts. Vague requests like, improve this function, force Claude to guess what you want, generating long, bloated responses. Instead, say exactly what you need. Refactor for async error handling. Show only modified code, no explanation. That single change, specifying your scope and asking for no explanation, can cut response length by 30 to 50%. Fewer output tokens means a smaller bill every time. Habit 2. Configure your settings file. Add a permissions deny array to your browse Claude settings.json. Exclude node modules, dist, and coverage folders. Claude stops rereading your entire dependency tree on every message. That alone saves 20 to 40%. Habit 3. Keep your claude.md file lean. This file is reread in every single context window. Keep it under 50 lines. Include only information Claude can't infer on its own. Every extra line costs you, every single time. Habit 4. Use compact intelligently. Don't just run it alone. Give it instructions. Conserve the authentication discussion and failing tests. Ignore the UI conversation. Targeted compaction saves 40 to 60% of unnecessary context. Habit 5. Use clear strategically. When you switch to a completely unrelated task, clear your session entirely. There's no reason Claude needs to know about your previous database migration when you're now writing a CSS fix. Combine these 5 habits, and you're typically looking at a 30 to 40% reduction on standard projects. That's real money. Or real headroom, depending on how you're built. The root cause is always the same: unnecessary context. Every irrelevant file read, every vague reply, every stale session. They all add tokens you didn't need to spend. The cheapest tokens are the ones you never send. Which of these 5 habits is costing you the most right now?